Hello everyone, welcome to Winners Capsule. This channel is mainly focusing on training on various competitive examinations. And also, I'll be uploading new videos on the different classes on lower classes such as 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard, etc. So, in this session, I am going to discuss about various multiple choice questions in the area of physics. There are 10 questions. First of all, I request you to mark the right answer. Let me scroll down the questions for your convenience and kindly mark the right answer. All questions are very important and you can able to expect these kind of questions in various competitive examination. Okay, basically general science, we can categorize into general science. Okay, so all are very, very important. Once again, I am repeating, kindly note down the right answer. Okay, there are 10 questions. Now, let me start the discussion. Moving on to the first question. So please note, identify the scalar quantity, current, momentum, torque, force. So here, all quantities having magnitude and direction. But if I talk about the current, it does not obey the parallelogram law of vector addition and the triangular law of vector addition. So therefore, we can able to say that current is a scalar quantity. Remaining momentum, torque, force, both are having magnitude and direction. Not only that, those quantities will be obeying the triangular law of vector addition. But current, we cannot able to tally about the triangular law of vector addition. So A is odd man out. So the current is a scalar quantity. What is the escape velocity of Earth's surface? Which among the right answer? Which among the option is the right answer? Among this, which is the right answer? So I should choose 11.2 km per second. Question number 3, escape velocity of moon surface, 9.8 meter per second square, 11.2 kilometer per second, and 2.4 kilometer per second, 100 kilometer per second. Which is the right answer? I should go for option C, 2.4 kilometer per second. So you can go ahead with option C. I think you are noting down and kindly note down the right answer in a separate diary so that you can able to recall those questions during the time of competitive examination. Question number 4. Geostationary satellite revolves around the Earth at a height of, which is the right answer? The right answer is 36,000 kilometers. Question number 5. Rotation of Earth on its axis from west to east to west, north to east to south. It's a confusing question. So which is the right answer? Actually, the rotation of Earth on the axis from always west to east. I should go ahead with option A. Question number 6. Height of the polar satellite. 840 kilometers, sorry, 84 kilometers, 800 kilometers, 8,000 kilometers, 840 kilometers. Actually, which is the right answer? Very important question. So the height of the polar satellite will be around 800 kilometers. I should go ahead with option B. Okay. All questions are very important. Why I am telling repeatedly? It may be asked in the upcoming examination. Question number 7. Time period of polar satellite, 8 minutes, 840 minutes, 84 minutes, and 8,400 minutes. Which is the right answer? Question number 7. The right answer is 840 minutes. I should go ahead with option B, 840 minutes. Question number 8. Working principle of hydraulic lift. Which is the right the answer for this question? The working principle of hydraulic lift is based on the Pascal's law. You know, pressure is equal to force by area. That equation will be obeying. Okay, force by area. Question number 9, 1 kilowatt hour. Kilowatt hour is the commercial unit of electricity. So 1 kilowatt hour, or we can call it as 1 unit is equal to dash joule. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 unit. That is equal to how many joules? That is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. If you want it, I'll write the calculation. Okay, I can type the calculation in the comment box. So 1 unit is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. Relative density is measured in lactometer, manometer, hydrometer, barometer. The right answer is hydrometer. I should go ahead with option C. So relative density is measured in terms of hydrometer. Okay. So I hope these questions are very useful for you and you could get some information about this session. Okay. So I'll be discussing remaining important questions in the forthcoming session. Stay tuned and happy learning. All the best for the competitive examination. Finally, thank you for watching this video.